In our previous video, we arrived in Fata Morgana after sailing across the Pacific Ocean. Then we sailed to the next Marquesian island, some 45 nautical miles away. Hiva'Oa. Hiva'Oa is one of the largest and most populated islands in the Marquesas, and the port of Atuona is one of the official ports of entry for yachts and ships. Here, we checked in officially in French Polynesia. A cargo cruise ship brings goods and people every couple of weeks, and it's a huge event, especially for yachts who are asked to make space for the big ship Aranui as she maneuvers in a very tight spot. In the village of Atuona, we saw some awesome sacred wood and stone carvings. Tiki in Maori and Polynesian mythology is the first man created by god Tumatauenga, and there are some awesome large tikis on the island of Hiva'Oa. As we walked around the Atuona village, marveling at the majestic scenery all around us, we heard music. Wild rhythms that make you want to start jumping and dancing around the fire. The kids in the local school were practicing for a school celebration, and they let us watch. You probably knew that famous post-impressionist painter Paul Gauguin lived in Tahiti to escape Western influences. But did you know that he had a house and lived in Hiva'Oa as well? And he died here, buried in Calvary Cemetery on a hill looking over the bay. In Hiva'Oa, we met another French artist who chose this island to be his home and inspiration. David Fabre from Bordeaux, France, is a guitar maker crafting his world-famous instruments from local wood.
Et donc, en fait, si tu veux, et après maintenant quand je fais une guitare, par exemple si on prend une guitare comme ça, je vais faire la guitare, on va dire, allez je vais prendre mon temps. Presque, si le gars, pour lui rendre qu'elle soit bien, 1 an, on va dire.
Wow.
1 an. C'est-à-dire que je fais la guitare, 3 mois après, 4 mois après, la guitare elle est faite comme ça. Ensuite je joue dessus, tout le temps, je joue. Et une fois que je joue, c'est là que les défauts vont sortir.
Wow.
Le bois va se mettre en place, et là, je rattrape.
Then we went looking for an ancient petroglyph hidden in the forest.
Yeah, we found it.
Thank you.
Okay, that's pretty good looking piece of fish.
It's amazing. Look how clean it is, man. This is just filet.
And it's real. This they sell there cheap. I think at gas stations like $6 for this much.
I mean, to catch such a big fish, to have a fillet from such a fish, this is big fish, man. My fish are usually small.
I'm gonna give you a jig that will catch big fish. No, serious. You know what? There's something to that. And I learned this from professionals. Big jig, big fish.
Yeah.
Small jig, small fish.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's actually true.
Back in the anchorage, we met our old friends Kim Philly from Sailing Vessel Philosophy and Kati from Chile. Kim showed us how to make professional sushi because, as you all know, my dad loves sushi.
There you go, Maya. Just give a little bit, and that's not too much, sir. There you go. Oh, that's a slice of heaven right there. Doesn't the ginger make it better? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah.
Good! Thank you for stopping by and watching this video. Make sure you check out all the other videos we made for you. I hope you like them. And here is what you can do for us. You can share our YouTube videos with your friends so that more people watch them. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can find us and follow us on Facebook, where my mom posts photos and updates from our travels almost every day. You can support us on Patreon and help us continue our adventures, which is something we appreciate enormously. You can visit our blog and read the stories we publish there. You can check out my Instagram. We love it when you like and share our photos, videos and stories, and we love it when you leave us comments and feedback. Thank you, awesome people. See you in a bit.